Let me just give you a net outcome statement with what you gave me. Okay, with the very little you gave me, tell me you're not interested.
So hey, Matt, we're not interested.
Nick,
got that covered.
Totally understand, totally understand. I will be here when you need to not only have the third-party collections, but make sure you don't have any of those other fees come and blindside you, like legal, like management, like this. We're able to give you all that under one umbrella, so you know exactly what your cost is per collection, and we're able to collect those things ahead of schedule and under budget. Fair enough? Right? And I just pulled that out of my butt because with 11 seconds. Now, if you spent a weekend thinking about the actual outcome, not what you sell, but the outcome of what you sell, then you can craft a net outcome statement that would be huge for you every time, because everybody's going to say we have that covered, because they do, right? You can't operate a business without having some form of collections, right? So they're all going to tell you we have that covered. What you don't want to do is put yourself in a position where you're like, but if I could have 5 minutes of your time, I'd love to tell you where we're different. Just tell them where you're different in the net outcome statement, and that, hey, I will be here when you need blank. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend, because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here, or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.